everyone, welcome to IES Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is massive enforcement inspection conducted in Haryana. The Commission for Air Quality Management in NCR and adjoining areas undertook a major inspection operation in Nuh, Haryana on 2nd January 2026 as part of the ongoing enforcement drive to ensure strict compliance with statutory directions and prescribed environmental norms in the National Capital Region. The total of 10 flying squad teams of the Commission were deployed for the operation. The enforcement action was conducted in both conferring and non-conferring industrial areas of the district. The inspection was held by the district administration including deputy commissioners and duty magistrates along with officials from the Haryana State Pollution Control Board. Police personnel were also present during the inspection to support and facilitate smooth operations. The inspection areas were allocated to the flying squads by the district administration. A total of 105 inspections were carried out, including across 5 construction and demolition sites, and remaining 100 were industrial sites. The industrial inspection included 86 stone crushers, 5 tire pyrolysis plants, 5 ready-mix concrete plants, and 3 hot mix plants and 1 screening and washing plant. It is to noted that the inspections were carried out when the actions up to stage 3 of the extent GRAP were in force in NCR. The compliance with the extent schedule of GRAP stage 3, almost all of the industrial units and C and D sites were found non-operational, closed or dismantled. Violation of direction number 76 of the Commission, which pertains to diesel generator sets, was reported in 3 units. The Commission stated that such strong enforcement of actions under the extent GRAP are essential to curb non-compliance, reduce emissions at source and provide relief to the citizens residing near such non-compliant entities. These enforcement efforts are aimed at ensuring that industries and C and D sites follow the prescribed norms and do not contribute to air pollution in the region. This inspection operation conducted in Nuh is part of the larger enforcement initiative of CAQM to intensify on-ground monitoring, particularly during the GRAP period, in close coordination with NCR state governments, district authorities and agencies concerned in the region. NTPC Western Region 1 signs MOA with Gujarat Cancer and Research Institute for upgradation of radiotherapy services. NTPC Limited, Western Region 1 Headquarters, Mumbai, signed a Memorandum of Agreement, which is MOA, with Gujarat Cancer and Research Institute for the upgradation of radiotherapy services. Under this CSR initiative, NTPC has sanctioned Rs 23.16 crore for the upgradation of radiotherapy services at the Sidhpur Satellite Center of GCRI, Ahmedabad. The support will be utilized for the procurement and installation of a high-energy linear accelerator, significantly enhancing advanced cancer treatment capabilities and improving access to quality radiotherapy services for patients in the region. The MOA was exchanged between Dr. Shashank Pandya, Director, GCRI, and Shri E. Satya Pani Kumar, Regional Executive Director, NTPC, in the presence of senior officials from both organizations. The signing ceremony was held in the august presence of Shri Akhaya Kumar Patra, Shri AP Samal CEO and CGM, and Srimati Vandana Chaturvedi, Regional Head of HR, along with other senior officials of NTPC WR1. And members of the CSR team, senior representatives from GCRI were also present on the occasion. This initiative reaffirms NTPC's commitment to inclusive development and its continued focus on strengthening critical healthcare infrastructure through meaningful CSR interventions. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.